trapped in the corners of my tainted mind, and there's no way out. Illusions, the only way I see the light.